today I and my mommy will be unboxing
the LOL OMG Moonlight BB. We just got at Target. Yay! Go ahead, little sparkling superstar, and let me know if you need help.
Okay.
Ooh, she's so pretty.
She's so pretty.
She's so you, little sparkle.
She's so pretty. Let's see. Let's see what she has in her little notebook. She's my sign. Now let's read her note. The stars keep on sparkling, even on the darkest night. BFF Journal. Aw, it's so sweet. Her shoes are actually fuzzy.
Oh, really?
So here's her little sister. We'll just have her wait right here. Yay, I'm getting a little sister! Woohoo! You just wait right here. Look, she has a poem. Let me read. Star light, star bright, fierce stars inspire me tonight. And always look at something that inspires you today. Here's our doll, fully dressed.
She's a very cute doll. I think she's worth it, definitely. She's very, very pretty. Her clothes had a little bit of some problems, like the loose stitching, not the loose stitching, but the extra threads coming out and the broken seam. In the picture there seems to be 2 tassels. I don't know if our doll just didn't have them or that was just before they actually made the doll. But all in all, she's beautiful. I'm happy with her.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!